Last time I went out wheeling, I had an air leak in my rear locker and I could barely use it. So naturally, instead of just fixing that, I'm gonna reconfigure my entire onboard air system. What a snowball. Welcome back to Rowdy Relics. My name is Trevor. Yeah, so when I bent my exhaust, I burnt through this airline and I was able to fix it with electrical tape. And it worked for a long time. But then it got to the point where I would have to run the compressor every 10 minutes. And my 40 amp relay is too small for that much duty. So this continues to melt, so we're gonna go with a bigger relay, we're gonna go with bigger cables, and I already have a big fuse in place. Like I run a 50 or a 60 amp fuse to keep it from blowing. So we're gonna dive into this. We're gonna clean up my old temporary mess that I've been running for a whole year. We're gonna go with some bigger airlines from the compressor to the tank. We're gonna relocate the tank, and we're gonna relocate the air chuck for filling tires and give that a bigger line too. Because I just ran 1/4 inch quick connects for everything last time. Not ideal. We're gonna fix it all. We're gonna do way more than we have to. Let's go. I don't know, this thing follows me around, so it's kind of fun. I'm leveling up. Let's go. There's 2. Must have been the right one. Okay, switch. Sweet! Get a little wiggly. Aha, it's hiding. Is it gonna catch me? It's gonna catch me over here. Oh, look at that! It found me. Friggin' playing hide and seek with a robot. What a time to be alive. That'll do. Try to hold the light. Haha! I did it. Oh, don't break it. Wow. We're going to, oh my gosh, it's so messy. We're going to the workbench. I'll slide you down. Is it working? Yeah? No? Hello? 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 There we go. Throw it. Hello? Why are you not following me? There. Silly thing doesn't want to listen. Where's my favorite tool? Holy, did I ever tighten this good? There we go. Well, there's a nipple for you. Whoa. Yes, that is Lefty Lucy. Oh my goodness. Holy. Fine. Have it your way. Holy. Shh. I need a drink of water. Stop it. You shh. Holy crap. Okay, everything is disassembled. Figured out what I'm doing. So mounting that up under there, right in that cavity. I just got a bunch of brass and new air lines. Where's all my brass here? Oh, my brass. Okay. This is my quick connect for my air hose, and it's gonna come up through the floor right there. Maybe a little over. Right about there, maybe there. Somewhere here, it's gonna come up through the floor. Compressor's gonna be mounted basically right there. That little pile of junk is my air locker solenoid actuators. I'm gonna make a fancy little plate for them to mount there. Wanted to highlight couldn't need fluid power because I showed up 10 minutes before closing. They got me all the parts I need. And then they also gave me this sweet sticker, so I'm gonna slap that on the truck. While I'm at it, I'm gonna highlight Cranbrook signs. He pulled this off way quicker than I thought he was going to. Mark Elliott, Cranbrook signs. Beauty. Thank you. I have space right there. I'm going to put it. Friggin' right. I'm wearing my dirty clothes now, so I'm ready to work. It's like 8 in the morning. I've actually been at work since 4, so we're gonna get at it. Yeah, this is great. Okay, let's get at it. We're starting with plumbing. Be like that. Okay. So that means that side is for the air chucks. Should've just got a tube. You can use Teflon. I do things the hard way. Oh God. Wow. If you do use pipe dope over Teflon, do you use off-brand or do you use the white stuff? Ugh. Is this 11/16? Look at that. Perfect. Ugh. That's why I'm wearing pants anyhow. That will be mounted like so underneath the truck. We're ready, okay? Already? I guess I should deal with all these quick connects. I really don't want to. They don't like to come out. Got it. I have an idea. I'm gonna get a really small wrench. Oh, my paperwork. Oh. Jesus Christ. Goodbye. Must have been an air leak. Aha! Oh, yeah, I'm thinking. Whew. Holy. Who tightened this stuff on? You go to there, you go to there. Sweet! I would use the wrench, but it flings it across the room. So. Okay, it's over there on the floor. Oh, well, that would be smart. I'm not smart, just make a spider web of these. Oh my gosh, I put my hand in the white stuff. Okay, mount. Let's go! Okay, let's go. Turn on the gas truck. Speed mode. Earn it. You don't need to worry about paint. I don't think I can say that. Probably trademarked. Zip ties and buys flags. Clearly it's a bit hot. Yep, that's good. Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Now what do I do with the wrench? Do I throw it? It's gone. Is it in my pocket? Oh, here it is. Jeez, right in front of me. What is going on? I'll put the welder away while that cools, then I'll get a jack and I'll shove it up in the butt of that truck. It's going underneath it, in the back, side. Oh my gosh, I can't think today. What am I doing? Put the welder away. Alignment bars. I think I'm set up to do it. Watch me struggle. Okay. Why does the train have to come now? Doesn't the train know I'm making a video? Trev, why don't you just ask for help? Well, because my job's at night and all my friends work in the day. It's only like 11 o'clock and I'm so tired. Did I think that bringing the light down was a bad idea? Come on. I got him. I got him too. Oh! No, I lost him. You know what? I got one. You come here. You back up. Ah! Stay, Jack. How complicated is this? Oh! Contact. Oh my gosh! I did it. Did I put it up the right way? Uh-oh. And now I can take the jack off. I can let the jack down. got 3 bolts in. It's basically good. All right, plumbing and drilling more holes and alrighty, I'm just gonna, wow. Look what I did. That's my tire chuck. It's at the corner, so it's mostly out of the way. And you know what? Nothing's gonna break it off because I'm gonna put that rope on it. Yeah, that one. Anyways, this is what I did at the bottom. If we look up there, there's the bulkhead. It's nice and tight and out of the way. It's not rubbing on anything except right there, so I'll sleeve it and tie it off. And then it goes right into the air compressor. And it's plenty of ways away from my exhaust, which shouldn't move anymore anyhow. All right, now I just have to do that up in there. Get 2 lines there. And my drain hangs low. Does your drain hang low? Does it look like an eyesore? So it's there, and if you think I'm gonna knock it off with something, well, I think that I have other issues then because my shocks would also be in the way. You know, put the carpet back. And, oh, I gotta mount the air compressor. Crap! Okay, well, I'm gonna get at that, and then I have to mount all the other stuff. Well, I'll get there. Those hoses come out of the floor at a pretty bad spot. My solution is I'm gonna make a little box, and then eventually down the road, I can build a little drawer in here. Today on Handyman Corner, for those of you who watch Red Green, I'm woodworking all of a sudden. So let's get at it. Doesn't need to be, holy crap. Doesn't need to be perfect. Pitter potter. It's gonna fit like that. Friggin' rights. That's how you screw up a brand new bit. Score! I don't even need to cut it. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yeah! Yeah, why not? There's so much to do. Let's get out of here all like, yeah. Well, that was fancy. This is the part of the video where things get unprofessional. This little gizmo, this is a 4-way junction or a T. It's a 4-way T. Doesn't matter. So it's gonna get zip tied into place because that's where I'm at today, and I'm not screwing around with any more bulkheads or bracketry. I better finish this before 4:30 so that if I need more brass, I can go bug Frank right before he closes. It's really the best time of the day to go in there. Gonna get a drill bit for the wood. Don't you want to punch me? Where do I want this? No idea. How about this? I'm gonna think about it and figure it out, and then I'm just gonna show you what I figured out, because that seems to work best for me. Alrighty. Down here, I burnt my diff breather, so I fixed that right there. And everything's plumbed in. I'm done under here. Up here, all I have to do still is wiring. So yes, that is mounted. That is screwed on. That's mounted. I have to run compressor wire in here up to that, and then the bottom one out so that it cuts power to the air compressor when it reaches a max pressure of 142. Where did I put it? Then I gotta wire in this big old relay. What does it say? It says from battery to device. So, easy enough. And that would almost conclude the onboard air after I test it. Oh, gotta make sure it doesn't leak. This takes forever. You really gotta understand that. Like, it's just... Plumbing's done, electrical's done, the switch is done, and it's time to test everything. So, this is that big old relay, big old 60 amp fuse, and I guess all that's left to do is to press the button. This one. Oh, that's a good sign already. We'll just wait for that to air up. 140. Oh, sweet, it still works. Okay, That's a good sign. The regulator's still set to 95 for the air lockers. So that's good. I don't hear any leaks. No leak there. Go check the rear. That's the one I'm worried about, because ARB has these silly metric fittings. Oh, that's leaking. My top. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Oh, I guess I'll test the... Oh wait, no, the air chuck's not leaking. Perfect, everything works. Holy shit, I did. I mean, holy crap. So, that has been the onboard setup. Looks all right. Now I have to do what I actually brought the truck in to do, which is fix the mud flap, torque the front, and add a bit of oil. That's it. That's all. Trevor, out. Hello? 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 Why are you not following me?